Hello friends, today I wanted to show you 7 quick styles you can do on twisted locks. Friends, okay, so I want to apologize. First of all, I am chewing gum, so please forgive me. But anyway, let's get into these hairstyles. So I already have my hair styled into a plait. I normally wear this whenever I just want my hair out of my eyes. But I'm going to go ahead and take the rubber band out, and we're going to go ahead and start pulling up the sides. Super simple hairstyle, and I'm moving really slow because it's really hard to grip my hair because it's so thick when it's twisted. I have one scrunchie that I'm using and one rubber band this entire video. So all of this can be done with one rubber band and one scrunchie. And I'm pulling it up into a half up, half down style. And I normally wear it off to the sides most of the time. And then I also straighten it up and put it in the middle. A little bit more fun for me. In the middle, see how cute that is? And I don't have to worry about the back doing anything. But then if I choose to spruce it up a little bit, I pull out the two little, what do you call those? Lock bangs, I guess. But I have those hanging down sometimes, feeling like Moesha. But then I go on and I put the rubber band out again. It's only one. And ponytails are a piece of work, so please work with me. So I'm trying to put it into a whole entire ponytail. As you can see, it is hard to grip my hair. Y'all pray for me because my arms be killing me. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put the scrunchie on. I do have to double it on because the hair is really heavy when it's in twists, and I'm just gathering all the hair around and pulling it, making sure it's all in there so that way I can straighten it out while it's pulled into the ponytail. And the fight to get all my hair into this ponytail holder continues. And it looks like I am finally getting it now. Yes, so I get it all in there, and I don't really have to do much to the hair because it's twisted again. And look at the ponytail, it's so cute. So that's the ponytail. I'm loving it. And then the next style I do is usually a bun. And I usually just pull, like I'm doing now, just pull it out of the second wraparound and just stuff all the hair into the upper ponytail holder. The stretch, you can see me putting hair through there, trying to get it up there, and it is gonna take a little time for me, so please bear with me. But there I am, getting it, and looks like I got it. Snatch the glasses off, had to take a pose. Look at me. All right, and then glasses back on, and let's get into this next style. Did I mention that I am tender-headed? Let me tell you, I snatched my whole kitchen when I took that down. So anyway, back into the next style. We're gonna go with just I guess you say the center section of my hair, and leaving out the two sides because they're already twisted. And I slip on, that's the rubber band. Yeah, the rubber band. I slip the rubber band on, and then because I don't like it too tight, but I just let it do whatever it wants to do while it's in the little ponytail with the rubber band on, because the rubber band is really tight. But this is usually my go-to hairstyle for the gym. I put a plait in the top with the rubber band, and then the back goes into a ponytail with the scrunchie, because when I'm working out, it's a lot to have all my hair in one scrunchie, and it's just wiggling all over the place because then the front comes out, and then that's a whole nother ball game. But look at this. So I'm getting the scrunchie around. I already doubled it over, so I don't have to do that extra step. And then I'm just gonna take my time and stuff the loose hairs that fell out into the ponytail holder. And there we have a gym hairstyle, which I do work out in a lot throughout the week. And then there it is. It's all put together. It's not completely neat because I don't really care for like looks. I've just want it all out of the way because I hate my hair in my eyes. But yeah, hit my elbow. Check me out. All right, so the next hairstyle, I took my hair down again, and this is usually my go-to hairstyle just to keep my hair out of my eyes. Again, I repeat, just to keep my hair out of my eyes. I do not care to, you know, do it any other way. I just usually do this whenever I just want my hair out my eyes, and it's just something quick and simple, and without having to wrestle with the whole rest of my head. See, rubber band. And I would say this is a medium-sized rubber band, and I just put it on. I don't have to do a double or anything. I just leave it on single, and boom, simple hairstyle. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.